Hey guys, welcome to the No Coders. Today I'm going to show you how to install Node.js in your computer, which is mandatory for app development. So without yapping, let's get into the video. First, open your web browser and search Node.js. After searching, you gotta see the first link, click on it and you'll get into the page, and you can see here get Node.js. Click here and there are a lot of versions of Node.js. I recommend you to download this v22 LTS version because this is the best one, and you can see, and if you are not have Windows OS, then you can select the preferred one and click on Windows installer. Then you can see here the Node.js has downloaded to our desktop. Just you can see our Node.js is here. Okay, after downloading our Node.js file, just double click on the downloaded file. Just you can see the welcome to the Node.js. Please wait while you can see this pop up here. Just click on next, and here you doesn't need to read all the terms, just accept it and click on next, and don't make any changes here, just click on next. You can see the following things will install in your computer. Click next, and here you have to select this to work at its best. So click next and click install to begin. So click install, and you can see the status bar here. Once it will be completed, then we have successfully installed Node.js in our computer. So you can see the pop-up here, completed the Node.js setup wizard. So we have successfully installed Node.js in our computer. Just click finish and exit our. You can see here, you gotta see like something, just click on wrong. Let's exit our file manager. After completing all this process, we have to recheck that whether the Node.js is installed or not. So just right click on your computer, open in terminal, or you can open with the command prompt cmd. I'm doing like this. You gotta see like here, and here you have to type node, node, sorry, let's type in small one, node space, you have to type hyphen and type v. Just click enter. Then you can see the v22 here, means it is showing the version name of Node.js. The Node.js is installed successfully in our computer. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe our channel and like this video.